Welcome back to my channel Tuktuk Technical. In today's video I will show you a new way to generate your AI voiceover for free and of unlimited length. I will show you all the steps of how to generate the AI voice. Please don't forget to like this video if it is helpful for you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. You can also ask any questions in the comment section of this video. Watch this video completely as I will show you each and every step to get the best result. Each and every step is important. Please don't skip any part of this video. Without wasting any more time, let us start our video. First, open your Chrome browser on your mobile or PC. You can do the same in your mobile also, but in this video I will demonstrate it to you in a laptop. Search for PicaArt. Click on the first link. You should sign in. You can sign in with Google, or you can sign in with Discord, or you can sign in with an email. Once signed in, you will be in the home page of PicaArt. On the top right side you can see the upgrade button. Don't worry, we don't have to upgrade. We will use the free plan to generate our voiceover. If you click on the upgrade button, you can see all the available plans such as Basic, Free, Plan, Standard Plan, Unlimited Plan, and Pro Plan. You can go through all the details of the plans if you are interested in buying it in future. Click the back button to go back. Next to the upgrade button you can see your logged in user ID. If you click on the drop-down arrow you will see your current plan which you are using. Below that you can see credits left. Then your profile. If you click on the profile, a new page will open. Here you can change your password. See the other options available here. After the profile you can see End Pricing, FAQ, Help, About and Log Out. On the right hand side you will see Explore and My Library. In this tutorial we will not see Explore. For generating the voiceover you have to click on My Library. Now you have to scroll to the bottom. Here you will see an attachment icon showing image or video. Click on the icon or the text. The File Explorer will get opened. You should now select an image or a video file. After the file gets uploaded you can see some options such as Modify Region, Expand Canvas, Lip Sync, Sound Effects. Here you have to click on Lip Sync. A lip sync audio dialog box will pop up. In the Generate Text to Audio text box you have to enter your text that you want to convert it into audio. But one thing is you can only write or enter a maximum of 250 characters at a time. Don't worry about that, I will let you know its solution in a moment. Then you have to select the speaker and then click on the Generate button. Click the preview icon to listen to the audio.
The first reference to the place name Delhi seems to have been made in the 1st century BCE when Raja Dilu built a city near the site of the future Qutb Minar Tower in present-day southwestern Delhi and named it for himself.
Once generated and you are satisfied with it, you should click on the download button. You can copy and paste your text again and again and complete your voiceover of any length. If you want in Hindi, enter text in Hindi. You can use Google Translate to translate your script. Generate the voice and download. Let's listen to the Hindi audio.
स्थान नाम दिल्ली का पहला संदर्भ पहली शताब्दी ईसा पूर्व में किया गया प्रतीत होता है, जब राजा ढीलू ने भविष्य के कुतुब मीनार टॉवर वर्तमान दक्षिण पश्चिमी दिल्ली में के स्थान के पास एक शहर बनाया और इसे अपने नाम पर.
After downloading all the audio files, you can now combine all the audio clips using any video editor. Hope you have seen all the steps, and you can use PicaArt to generate your voiceover. This is the end of our video session for today. Hope this video is helpful to you, so please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Stay safe till then. Goodbye.